This tutorial review will show you how to turn Safe Search Mode on and off on iPhone for Safari web browser. Open your Settings app, tap on Screen Time, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and you have to enable this option from here. Enter a screen time passcode. Now tap on Content Restrictions. And tap on Web Content. And to turn on Safe Search Mode, you have to select this one, Limit Adult Websites. And to turn off Safe Search Mode, select Unrestricted Access. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.